Good day everyone, Sharalyn Dela Cerna here. This video is a simple explanation on how does a different set of data come together and work together in a relational database. Relational database or a relational model represents the database as a collection of relations. Let's say we have a database, one that holds student information and one that holds classes information. Let's say we have here a data sets of student information. We might have information here such as student ID, student name, their age, their gender, or the sports they played. And of course, we can have a lot of all sorts of informations. But for this example, let's just use these three. And if we look at the student information table itself, we might have a table that looks something like this. We have a field for student ID, name, and sports. Now with this, if we're trying to refer to one of these records, we can't do it by name because we might have a student with the same name. We can't do it by sports because we will definitely have a student with the same sport, but we can make the student ID unique. We should always set up one key field that is unique. Same idea with the classes. We could have class name that are the same. We could have instructor that teaches more than one classes. But if we look at the class ID that we can make unique, and so we know that it is unique. If we look at these two tables and we want to be able to relate the information between them, one way we can do is to just focus on the unique pieces of information. We're not removing the rest of information from the table, we're just simplifying things. And if we want to make a connection of these two tables, we can go ahead and create a new table that contains the student ID and the class ID. What I mean is, if we have student 10 taking up classes, class 210 and class 211, and we have student 111 taking up classes 212 and 210, and we have student 112 taking up classes, class 212, class 211, and class 210. Go ahead and write that in our new table. Now from that, we can create a new table containing information about the enrollment. We have here the student ID and class ID as our foreign key and a new data about their status. But remember that data can be more complex than this. This is just a simple explanation on how relational database works. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching.